Hello dear Telangana aspirants, welcome back to the specially designed Telangana Pharmacist Model Paper series. We have already made two videos on this subject, especially Pharmacognosy, that is Model Paper 1 and 2. We have already uploaded those videos in our YouTube channel. Okay, in this channel, if you have not watched the video, please go and watch the videos. Those will definitely help you a lot. And if you have already watched the videos, this video is definitely for you because as like that video, in this video also, you will be getting 20 sure shot and most expected questions are going to be discussed in this video. Are you ready? Yes, I hope you're ready. And also, you need to do one thing. Meanwhile, I'm explaining, you need to comment down your answer so that we will know that how many how many serious Telangana aspirants are there in Telangana. Okay, so are you ready? So let us start this session. The Cognosy Model Paper 3. Okay, so first question of this series. Okay, the first question of the series is turmeric upon addition of sulfuric acid. Turmeric upon addition of sulfuric acid, which color is going to be liberated? Option A, blue color, and option B, green color, C, red color, and D, black color. So comment down your answer if you know what is the color is going to be finally liberated. Okay, yes, come on, what is the right answer? Let me check the right answer. Yes, it is going to be liberate the red color because upon addition of sulfuric acid, it liberates red color because of one thing or because of one chemical content called curcumin. Okay, so because of this one, the turmeric upon addition of H2SO4, it liberates the red color. Okay, if it liberates the red color, that indicates the presence of curcumin because that is active constant present in the turmeric. Okay, so it comes under the classification of oleoresin. Okay, yes, upon addition of the sulfuric acid, it gives a red color. Okay, and upon addition and to that mixture, to the above mixture, if you add any alkali solution, that definitely the red color will convert into the violet color. If you observe these two color changes, then it indicates, then it confirms the presence of the curcumin. Clear? Yes, finally, upon addition of H2SO4 to the turmeric, it liberates red color. So by this slide or by this question, you need to understand the chemical test. It is also important for your preparation. Okay, so let's see the next question. Okay, get ready. So second question, ipecac is primarily used in the medicine for its, which means, so what is the use of ipecac? In simple and very simple, what is the use of ipecac? Option A, antipyretic property, and option D, expectorant and emetic property, and option C, analgesic, D, sedative. Yes, comment down your answer. So I will be waiting for you. Okay, come on, comment down your answers. Okay, ipecac. What is the use of ipecac? So you should know that definitely the use of the particular crude drug is also very important for your preparation. Okay, so let us see the right answer for this one. The B is the right answer. Ipecac has expectorant and emetic properties because you can see here. Okay, ipecac is an expectorant in small doses and emetic in the higher doses. Yes, if you administer the ipecac in a very less dose or small dose, it acts as an expectorant. Okay, and if you increase the dose, it acts as a emetic. Okay, and also one of the important chemical constant, one of the chief constant, that is cephalin, has more emetic and less expectorant property. Okay, more emetic and less expectorant property, and also it is having another chemical constant, that is emetin hydrochloride is used as a anti-protozoal. Okay, so these are the three important chemical constants having different chemical, okay, pharmacological actions. Okay, yes, so in smaller doses it acts as a expectorant, and in a higher doses it acts as a emetic. Okay, so that's the answer. Next question, moving to the next question. So third question, yes, ipecac is detected by option A, Frohed reagent, and option B, Van Hoek test, and option C, Vital-Morin test, and option D, all of the above. Yes, in such type of questions, I'll give you one suggestion. Okay, so try to apply the elimination method in the MCQs, because definitely from the four options you can easily identify one wrong option. Okay, one wrong option, because you can see right over here one two tests you can easily eliminate. Okay, if you already completed the syllabus, or if you're already good with your preparation, especially from pharmacognosy, you can easily eliminate two options here, because one option, that is, what is a vitamin Morin test and what is a Vanek test. Okay, for which compound you are performing the Vanek test, for which compound, for which drug you are performing the vitamin Morin test. Okay, so if you know that, you got to know the answer. Okay, simply the epicanca is detected by the forehead reagent, Frode's reagent. Because I'll tell you one thing. Okay, so because in such type of MCQs, you should apply your little IQ so that you can easily detect the wrong answer, so that you can identify the right option. Because the VANUP test is for Ergot. Okay, but whereas this vitamin test is for atropine. Okay, so you can eliminate these two options because they are specific to ergot and atropine, and you can also eliminate this method. So definitely the right answer is forehead reagent. Clear? So like how you need to apply a little IQ so that you got the right answer. Yes. So emitin, when is treated with the sulfuric acid and sodium molybdate, so that's the Frode's reagent will gives a bright green color. So this is a ipecac plant. Okay. So sodium molybdate is actually chemical which is known as a Frode's reagent. Clear? So yes. So is tested by a Frode's reagent and will gives you the bright green color. Okay. Yes. So moving to the next question. Comment down your answers. Don't forget to post your answers. Okay. So fourth question of this series. Ergot, a fungal disease of cereals, is primarily caused by which species? Option A, Clavis purpurea. Option B, Pencil notatum. And option C, Aspergillus flavus. And option D, Candida albicans. In this question also, in every question, you can apply the elimination method, because definitely there is a direct wrong answer. It can be easily detected. Okay, so you can eliminate this option, I think so. Okay, so you need to identify the right option from the rest of three options. Come on, comment down your answers. Okay, so what is the right answer here? What is the right answer? Yes, well, let me check. So option A is the right answer. Claviceps purpurea. Claviceps purpurea. So ergot. So in ergot, okay, the fungal disease which is caused by which species? The fungal disease caused by the Claviceps purpurea. Claviceps purpurea. So meanwhile going to the drugs, we should definitely cover their, okay, we definitely cover their synonyms. So ergota and ergota fry. And coming to the biological source, so it is a dried sclerotium of fungus. Dried sclerotium of fungus. So this is a dried sclerotium of fungus. Claviceps purpurea belong to the family Clavicipitaceae. Clavicipitaceae, and which is developed from the ovary of rye plant, and that is sickle cereal len. Okay, so belong to the family Clavicipitaceae. Thing is, yes, the ergot, the ergotamine alkaloids in the ergot are synthesized by one fungal disease or because of a thing called a clavicis purpurea. Okay, so that the thing is clavicis purpurea is the right answer here. Is that clear? Yes, I think it's clear. Next question. The cinchona bark is derived from the trees belong to which family? They directly asking about the what is a family of cinchona. Okay, cinchona is a bark. You can see option A Rubiaceae, B Solanaceae, C Fabaceae, and D Asteraceae. D Asteraceae. So what is the right answer here? Comment down your answers. So meanwhile, I'll check the question. Okay, I'll check the answer here. Okay, Rubiaceae, the cinchona belongs to the family Rubiaceae. Okay, yes, try to remember the synonyms also. Okay, so whenever any special synonyms are there for any drug, do remember or try to remember, because synonyms also very important, because we can expect the synonyms in your questions. Cinchona is generally known as, it has a synonym of Peruvian bark and juiced bark. So you can get a question like, so which of the following bark is known as juiced bark, or which of the following bark is known as a Peruvian bark? So that they'll give you an option: cinchona, cinnamon, cuchi, cascara. Okay, try to remember the synonyms also. Okay, so Peruvian bark as well as G-set bark are the synonyms. And yes, this cinchona can be obtained from the four species of cinchona, that is Cinchona calisaya, Cinchona legeriana, Cinchona officinalis, and Cinchona succirubra. So from these sources, we do get the cinchona belong to the family. All these species are belong to the family Rubiaceae. Rubiaceae. But I want to tell you that among these four sources, from Cinchona legeriana, legeriana means larger quantities. Okay, so from the Cinchona legeriana source only, we do get larger amounts of cinchona alkaloids. If you want more yield, if you want more amount of alkaloids, especially quinine alkaloids, you need to get this species from the cinchona species, Cinchona legeriana, so that you will get enough amounts of the secondary metabolites, enough amounts of the quinine alkaloids. Clear? So the question is, what is the family of cinchona? The family of the cinchona is Rubiaceae. Okay, that's the question. We'll move to the next question. So comment down your answers. Don't forget to comment down answers, and also comment down in this video, okay, how many marks or how many questions are right out of 20 questions. Okay, yes, which of the following is a well known for the ergot alkaloid used in the treatment of migraine? Okay, so they were asking that, so which of the alkaloid, which of the ergot alkaloid is responsible in curing the migraine? Okay, which of the ergot alkaloid is having in the treatment of migraine? Option E, ergometrin; B, ergotamine; and C, lysergic acid, which means LSD, lysergic acid, and D, diethylamide, and D, dihydroergotoxin. Dihydroergotoxin. What is the right answer? Comment down, dear aspirants. Okay, so let me know how many serious aspirants are there in the Telangana. Okay, let me check the right answer. Yes, ergotamine. Okay, ergotamine. Ergotamine is the right answer. Okay, mine, migraine. Okay, mine, migraine. Mine and migraine. Migraine is mine. Okay, I'm suffering with migraine, so mine. Migraine is mine, so that mine, migraine is mine. So do remember like that. That's a funny trick. If you want, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can simply remember that one. Okay. But the thing is, so among all ergot alkaloids, the ergotamine has a property or use in the treating the migraine. Okay. So moving to the next question. So I'll show you the explanation also. Let us see the explanation. Yes, in generally, okay, ergotamine is used in the migraine, whereas ergometrin is used in the oxytocic. And yes, because of this oxytocic property, it is used in the delivery. Okay, so in the pregnancy, in the delivery time, this ergometrin is used. Okay, and apart from that, these also possess some psychomimetic action, and also used in the psychiatry and as well as obstetrics. Okay, the thing is, the ergotamine has a migraine property. Clear? So let us move to the next question. So seventh question of this series: which historical use of cinchona bark led to its widespread cultivation? Okay, so simple. What is a main use led to the widespread cultivation of the cinchona? Because cinchona, if you are aware of the pharmacognosy, okay, if you know some basics of pharmacognosy, definitely you'll pick the right answer from this question. Because in this pharmacognosy subject, some drugs are very specific to their actions. Like how Vinca is an anti-cancer drug. Okay. Distal is a cardiac glycoside. Senna is a purgative and laxative. Okay. So, like how, if you know such type of uses for the drugs, you can easily answer this question. Okay. So, what use and what medicinal property led to the widespread cultivation of the cinchona? Tell me the answer. Option A, treatment of malaria. Option B, pain relief. C, anti-inflammatory property. And D, digestive disorders. Come on, let me know the answer. Comment your answers. Okay. Yes. So what is the right answer? I know the right answer, but for the sake of yours, I'll show treatment of malaria because cinchona has quinine alkaloids. Cinchona has quinine alkaloids, so these are responsible for the quinine sulfate. Quinine sulfate is a responsible chemical constituent. Okay, so where it has a anti-malarial property. In treating the malaria, it has a historical use. Clear? So from since long back, it was using as a anti-malarial drug. So you can see here. So cinchona has a main use. Its main use is anti-malarial, and apart from that, it has also used as bitter stomachache, antipyretics, and also to prevent some arrhythmias and tachycardia, which means in the CVS also it has application. Okay, CVS, and to prevent the atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation. Clear? Yes, I think it's clear. Yes, let's move for the question, but don't forget to post your answers in the comment box. Okay, so moving to the next question. Come on. Yes. Okay, you should post your answer immediately when I show the question. Okay, don't wait for my answer. So, Pancha Mahabhuta theory related to. So, by looking at this question, you have to understand this question is coming from the traditional systems of medicines. Traditional systems of medicines. Systems of medicines. How many systems we had, how many traditional systems, and how many alternate systems that we have. So these are known as traditional systems. Apart from these, all are referred as a alternative systems of medicines like Chinese medicine system, Campo medicine system, aromatherapy. Okay, all these are comes under the uh, alternative system. So coming to this question, so in which system we do observe, in which system we observe the Pancha Mahabhuta theory, because every system, every traditional system is nothing but is consisting of set of practices, theories based on belief and experiences. Okay, so which means every system of medicine having certain theories to claim that practice. Okay, so coming to that, what is a Pancha Mahaputra or in which system, and it is related to which system? Option A, Homeopathy, B, Chinese, and C, Japanese and Ayurveda. Okay, definitely every Indian will post this answer because I gave you a hint. Okay, so tell me the right answer for this question. Okay, let me check the right answer. Yes, undoubtedly option D, because in the Ayurveda, we have four theories, especially in every theory, there are some theories. Sorry, in every system of medicine, there are some theories, but especially these theories are meant for the treating the diseases and diagnosis and as well for the physical well-being. Okay, these systems all, or whether it is any system, Chinese system or Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy, every system is having these three main roles or three main goals. Okay, so in order to achieve these three goals, they are having some theories. Okay, so in Ayurveda, these are the theories. One is Pancha Mahabhuta theory, Tridosha theory, Saptadhatu theory, and Pancha Seal theory. But among these four, these three are stating, or these three are denoting the state of health. State of health. So by these theories, we can assess a person health. If they are in equilibrium, either Pancha Mahabhutas as well as Tridosha or Saptadhatu, if they are in equilibrium, then the person is known as a healthy person, which means these three theories will denote a person health. They describes about the diagnosis as well as the person health, but whereas this Panchasila is a theory which will denote or describes about the properties of a dosage form or properties of a medicine. Okay, so rasa, guna, virya, vipaka, prabhava, which means potency, okay, taste, okay, and texture, and all these things are discussed in the Panchasila theory. Panchasila theory is about the properties of the drug, whereas these three theories are for the state of health and the diagnosis. Clear? So Panchamahabhuta theory is related to Ayurveda. Clear? So let us move for the next question. Ninth question of this series. Who developed the homeopathic system of medicines? Yes, for every system, there are some theories which are prepared or which are created by some important personalities. So those are known as fathers. We can usually refer as a father of homeopathy, father of Ayurveda, like how. So who developed the homeopathic system of medicines? So who is father of homeopathy? Simply option A Hippocrates, and option B Samuel Hahnemann, and option C Galen, and option D Sedler. So comment down your answers. What is the right answer here? Hippocrates, Samuel Hahnemann, Galen, and Sedler. Let me check the right answer. Okay. Yes, option B is correct. Samuel Hahnemann is known to be the father. Samuel Hahnemann is known to be the father of homeopathy, and he is a person he developed a word called like cures like, which means similia similibus parental. Okay, homeos means like, pathos means treatment, which means like use like. Okay, so homeopathy means like use like, which is created by Samuel Hahnemann according to his theory. Okay, according to his like use like, the thing which is responsible for curing a disease itself, it can cause a disease symptoms. So that is a like use like according to his theory, that is like use like or homeopathy. Okay, and he proposed this system of medicine. Clear? And he had different types of objectives, okay, which means similar similibus currental, okay, individualization, potentialization, law of similarity. All these are proposed by one person, that is Samuel Hahnemann. So because of his enormous contribution, he become the father of homeopathy. Okay, so yes, let us move for the next question. I hope it's clear. Next question of the series. Which of the following traditional medicines is a liquid dosage form? Yes, in the traditional systems or in any system of medicine, whether it is, what we can say, homeopathy, Ayurveda, Siddha, or maybe Chinese, or maybe allopathic. Okay, so there are different types of dosage forms: liquid dosage forms, solid dosage forms, semi-solids, powders, aerosols. Okay, so coming to that one, by considering that one, among these options, which one is a liquid dosage form? Whether it's Arka or Vati, okay, or Kalka or Avaliha. Okay, let me know the answer in the comment box. Clear? So let us check the right answer. Option A, Arka is the right answer. Okay, Arka is a right answer. So these are the different types of dosage forms in the Ayurveda, and also we call as the powders in the Ayurveda. We call as basmas, churnas, paripati, rasayana, and also we had a liquid dose form. Those are Arista, Arka, Asava, Swaras, and Thaila. But among these, only two are self-generating alcohol preparation. Those are Arista and Asava. Do remember this point. Okay, so this is also important. Both Asava and Arista are the two important alcohol containing and alcohol self-generating alcohol preparations. Okay, Arka and Swaraha. So right option for this question is Arka is also a liquid dosage form. Apart from that, it is having semi-solid dose forms like Avaliha, Grita, Kalka. Okay, and solids like tablet, Gutika, and Vatika. So right option this question is Arka. Do remember and try to take this a screenshot on this one. Okay, definitely it will help you. Next question of this series. Why bitter almond uses a sedative? Okay, so what is the reason behind the sedative property of bitter almond? Okay, so option A, due to the presence of benzaldehyde, and option B, due to the presence of hydrocyanate, And option C, due to the presence of high sugar, and option D, due to the presence of various ions and fats. Comment down your answers if you know about the bitter almond. So we'll got to know. Let's move for the right answer. Option B, due to the presence of, due to the presence of hydrocyanic acid, because of this hydrocyanic acid in the bitter almond, it is acts as a sedative. Okay, and also other uses, like it can be used as a demulcent in the skin lotion. Okay, and also it also used in the preparation of amygdalin. Amygdalin are also used in the perfumery as well as in the form of liquors. Okay, and but this bitter almond should not be used for the flavoring of foods. It should not be used in the flavoring of foods, but it can be used in the perfumery as well as the skin lotions. But the sedative property in the bitter almond is due to the presence of HCl, that is hydrocyanic acid. Hydrocyanic acid. Sorry, hydrocyanic acid. So that's the right answer. Next one. 12th question. The main active constituents of sandalwood is option A, alpha and beta sandalol, B, cineol, C, menthol, and D, santalone and santalene. Okay, what is the right answer? See, the cognosy has a beauty that you can easily identify the chemical constants, because all, if you the from the starting from the name of the drug and biological source, sometimes family, and also chemical constants, all are similar. Okay, so take comment down your answer. So let me check the right answer. Option A is correct. Alpha and beta sandalol is the main active constituent in the sandalwood. You can see here, okay, alpha and beta sandal or the active constituents. Okay, they are accountable. They are nothing but 95% of two isomeric sesquiterpene alcohols. So those are nothing but sandalol, alpha sandalol and beta sandalol. And apart from that, there are several types of oils are there. Alcohols are there. Santalol, okay, terasantol, santine, santinone, and santalone and santalene. But major active constants are alpha and beta santalol. Clear? And yes, coming to that, it is obtained from the heartwood of Santalum album, belong to family Sandalaceae. You can see sandalwood oil, okay, obtained from the Santalum, Sandalaceae, Santalol. So that's the beauty of cognosy. Clear? Yes, let's move for the next question. So name the anthraquinone glycoside present in Aloe. Okay, what is the anthraquinone glycoside present in the aloe? Option A, aloe B, linoleic acid, and C, eugenol, and D, all of the above. Yes, aloe is an anthraquinone glycoside, but they are asking about what is a anthraquinone glycoside, which means what is the active constants of aloe? Direct question. Aloe linoleic acid, C, eugenol, and D, all of the above. Okay, you can eliminate two options from here because I said already you can directly identify one word. So eugenol is a volatile oil, and also you can, so because this option is wrong, so that definitely this option also wrong. Okay, so from these two options you need to identify. Clear? So let me check the right answer. Yes, aloe is the right answer. Aloe is the right answer because it contains, so in the aloe, okay, it contains aloe. These are the anthraquinone glycosides and also barbaloin. Aloe, aloe and barbaloin are the anthraquinone glycosides, but it contains, okay, water and 55% of the polysaccharides. Clear? Yes. Next, moving to the next question. So 14th question, poisonous cyanogenic glycoside present in almond. So what is the poisonous cyanogenic glycoside present in the almond? What is the right option here? Option A, high calcium, B, caryophyllene, and C, high phosphorus content, and D, amygdalin. D, amygdalin. Okay, come on, dear aspirants. I was waiting for your answers. Comment down your answer. I will check later. Okay. Yes. Let me check the right answer. Option D is correct. Amygdalin. So amygdalin is a thing which is responsible to produce a hydrocyanic acid as well as a benzaldehyde. Hydrocyanic acid as well as a benzaldehyde. But it belongs to the classification of cyanogenetic glycoside. Cyanogenetic glycoside. Okay. So that's it. And apart from that, it also contains 20% of protein and 40% to 50% is fixed oils and mucilase. And yes, apart from that, it has one bitter principle called amygdalin. Clear? Yes. Let us move for the next question. So after extraction process, filtrate may be tested with a mace agent for the detection of following constituents. Option A, carbohydrates and glycosides, and B, phytosterols, and C, fixed oils and fats, and D, alkaloids. So if you know about the chemical test names, you can easily identify. Okay, so in generally for the carbohydrates, you can so you can easily eliminate some options. So Molly stress spelling test is for the carbohydrates. Okay, so you can eliminate this option, and yes, you need to detect the option right answer from the rest of the options. Come on, post your answer. Come on, post your answer. Let me know the right answer. Let me know the right answer for this question. Come on. Okay. Yes, undoubtedly, the main reagent is to identify the alkaloids. Okay. So, the main reagent is mainly to test the reaction. Is this detectant? The main reagent is to detect the alkaloids. As you know, that alkaloids tests are Mayer's, Hager's, Wagner's, Dragonroff. Okay. All these tests are for the identification of alkaloids. Okay. So, that's it. So, move to the next question. Is the government of India established the NMPB 2 for which purpose, for which cause NMPB has established by the Indian government? Okay, option A, promote the international trade only. B, to ensure the availability and coordinate the development of medicinal plants. And C, manufacture of perfumes. And D, develop the synthetic drugs. Okay, NMPB. What is that? What is the right answer? So option B is the right answer. To ensure the availability and to coordinate the development of development of medicinal plants, the National Medicinal Plant Board has been set up by the Indian government. Okay, so just to ensure the availability and to coordinate the development of medicinal plants, the government has set up a National Medicinal Plant Board. National Medicinal Plant Board, that is NMPB. Okay, to ensure the availability and also to coordinate the all matters related to the day development. Clear? NMPB. Yes, institutional efforts to enhance the marketing exports of MAPs. Okay. From the India. Clear? So to ensure the quality and as well as to coordinate the development of medicinal plants, Indian government has set up NMPB. Okay, NMPB. Next question. So the cotton consists of hairs of seeds of. Okay, the cotton consists of hairs of the seed. Option A, Cymopsis tetragonolobus, and option B, Arachis hyposia, and option C, Gossypium barbidans, and option D, Saraca indica. Okay, if you know about something regarding cotton, you can easily answer this question. Come on. Cotton is obtained from which plant species? That's a very easy question. Okay, you just need to apply simple IQ, or if you sometimes you need to understand the question in a very easy manner. Cotton is obtained from which source? Okay. Yes. We know that it is obtained from the Gossypium barbidans. So this is a raw cotton. Those cotton synonyms are absorbent cotton, purified cotton, and raw cotton. Yes, biological source, it is obtained from the epidermal trichomes of Gossypium barbidans. Gossypium barbidans and Gossypium herbaceum. From these seeds of hairs, okay, from the hairs of these seeds of species called Gossypium barbidans as well as Gossypium herbaceum. So belong to family Malvaceae. Belong to family Malvaceae. So that is the right answer. Comment your answers. Don't forget. Next question. Biological source of Indian squill is. Biological source of Indian squill is. Biological source of Indian squill is. Okay. So what is the biological source of Indian squill is? Option A, Quercus infectoria, and option B, Argynia martima, and option C, Argynia indica, and option D, both B and C. So what is the right answer here? Indian squill. Yes, option C is correct. Argynia indica. So option C, Argynia indica. So the biological source of Indian squill is Argynia indica. Indica. Indian squill. Indica. India. Okay. Indian squill. Argynia indica. India. Belong to family Liliaceae. Belong to family Liliaceae. Okay. Let's move to the next question. So Vithanine is the main constituent of Withania somnifera. What is the source of Withania somnifera? Okay. So option A, ashwagandha, B, Google, C, senna, and D, belladonna. Okay. So what is the right answer? Withania somnifera is a source of option A, ashwagandha. Okay. Option A, ashwagandha, because it is obtained from the Withania somnifera. Okay. Roots and rhizomes of Withania somnifera, that is nothing but ashwagandha. Okay. Withanin is the main constituent, and withanolides are the group of steroidal lactones present in the ashwagandha. Okay. So withanolides are the steroidal alkaloids present in the ashwagandha. Okay. The source of ashwagandha is Withania somnifera. Further it is something known as withanolides. Okay. So yes, that's the right answer. Vithanin is obtained from the Withania somnifera, that is ashwagandha. Last question of the series: Osimum sanctum is a biological source of. So Osimum sanctum is a biological source of which of the following? Ashwagandha, Google, Tulsi, and belladonna. Okay, let me check the right answer. Tulsi. So Osimum sanctum is a source of the plant called Tulsi. Osimum sanctum. Tulsi consists of fresh and dried leaves of Osimum sanctum, belong to family Lamiaceae. It is known as Saccharid basil and Holy basil. Is that clear, dear aspirants? Yes. So these are the today's 20 MCQs. So by this, we conclude this session. Okay. For more such type of interesting videos, do subscribe and share to your friends. So because they will also helpful for your friends' preparation. Okay. So do follow this channel and do subscribe and share to your friends. But don't forget to mention how many marks you got out of 20 and how many right answer you got out of 20. Okay, please comment down your marks in the comment box. Okay, clear? I hope it's clear. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such content, do subscribe. Okay, we'll see in the model paper 4 video. Until then, have a happy learning. Thank you.